Hello Udemy, I am Shazad Ahmed from Shikzi.com and welcome in lecture number 11. Today we are going to discuss about the effects. How can you add the effects? You know very well about the hide and show, but we are going to discuss about the hide, show, and also the toggle functionality or the toggle effects or the hide and show effects. So don't worry, we are going to explain everything. For suppose if you have three paragraphs and you are saying when someone click on this, hide the current paragraphs. Okay, I will discuss this in my later lectures, but for now, whenever someone click on this, hide these paragraphs. So how can you do that? As you know, you have your button. You can create your button selector. Click on this, it's hiding, but you can also pass the speed. For suppose I'm saying 1000, that means click on this. So as you can see, you have added some effects. So 2000 or 4000 means 4 seconds, that means hide this. So as you can see, it takes 4 seconds to hide this. If you are saying 1000, that means you are saying hide this in 1 second. Okay, so in this way your hide works. For suppose if you are saying that you have two buttons, for suppose you are saying hide, this is the hide button, this is the hide button, and you have another button, and you have this is the show button, for suppose. Okay, so now you have two different types of buttons. So you have to add the ID, for suppose show, and you have to add the hide, and you have to add the show ID show. And now I'm saying whenever someone click on the button hide ID, click. So you don't need to write this one. Okay, whenever someone click on the hide ID, just find all the paragraphs and hide them slowly. And now I'm saying whenever someone click on the show ID at the event, click on the show ID, call the anonymous function, and now select your selector or define your selector. I'm saying find all the paragraphs and now show them, but slowly. How? 1000. Add the semicolon. Go to your page, refresh the page, hide, hiding, show, showing, hide, show, hide, show. Now how can you do that? I'm saying that how can you use the toggle function. So this is the hide and show example. Okay, for now I'm saying whenever someone click on this button, hide the current element, or whenever someone click on the button, a single button, for suppose this is single button. So now we have a single button, so that's why we are creating the selector like this. Just a second, I'm going to create. I'm saying whenever someone click on the button, click on the button, not on click, dot click. And now I'm saying this is the function, and I'm saying find all the piece dot toggle. Okay, so now go to your page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, I'm saying this is the button, click on this. So as you can see, it's hiding. Click on this, as you can see, it's showing. You can pause the 1000, click on this, it's hiding, click on this, it's showing, hiding, showing. So in this way your toggle works. So you can also pass your like this. You can also use your anonymous function. I'm saying when someone click on the button, I'm saying just type the alert, and I'm saying working, I'm make sure I'm passing two parameters. One is the speed, second is the anonymous function. Just click on this. So as you can see, now it's alerting. Just click, okay, just click on this. So now as you can see, it's alerting. So in this way you can use your toggle, or you can pass your second parameters to anonymous function. You can also use while working on the hide and show. So I think this is enough for today. In the next lecture we are going to cover some other effects like fade. So thank you for watching.